Alright, I'm going to show you how to do a split ring for a very simple tatted bracelet. And this is what it looks like. These are 4 rings. And you can just go all the way around to whatever size you need to fit. I like to start it with a little slip knot at the end so that I can put a bead on this side, and then that's my clasp. Alright, so here's how we do it. Split ring means that half of the ring is going to be on this side and half of the ring is going to be on this side, so that we're joining in the middle. Normally, with most tatting, you're going to be starting at the beginning of a ring and going all the way around and ending back at the beginning. So that's why we like the split ring for the bracelet, because then we're ending in a row. So we can go in a straight line with all of our rings. So you take your needle and you're going to hold it close to the base, and I like to use thumb and then finger. So I'm going to pull with my thumb and go around, and then I just like to snug it up as close as I can, and then you push with your finger. So pull with the thumb, push with the finger. That makes one double knot. So you can see it, there's 2 threads at the top there, 1, 2, and then there's a thread almost like a little smiley face down at the bottom. So like 2 eyes and a smiley face. So that's 1. We need to do 3. So here's, oops, pull with the thumb, push with the finger, there's 2, thumb, finger, that's 3. Now we're going to make this, it's called a picot. We're going to leave our thumb and finger right here to kind of make a gap. So when I pull tight, notice how I'm not pushing it all the way up. I'm not pulling it all the way up. I'm going to leave it right there, and I'm going to do my second one so that it's secure. Now I can pull it in and see how that made a little picot right there. And that just adds design. In the future, if you keep with tatting, you can join more tatting to those picots, and that's how you make a more elaborate design. So that was 1. We're going to go 2, 3. So the pattern is 3 picot 3. Now we're going to go ahead and do it on the other side. Now notice I don't really like that big gap. I kind of left a big gap there. It's going to be okay, but in the future I'd like to try to get it closer. So we're going to switch to the other side, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to leave a gap. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we've got both sides. We've got from the center 3 picot 3. From the other side we've got 3 picot 3. So now you take the end where the eye of the needle is, you're going to thread it, and we're going to go ahead and pull it through. Now as this is pulling, leave your finger in that loop, because you don't want the loop to go through all your stitches. You're going to take your needle and go back through that loop, and then I like to hold the picots tight so they don't get too squished, and go ahead and pull that thread until the loop closes at the top right there, and then I go ahead and pull it together. And we've just added another split chain, or split ring to our chain. So you'd continue to do that until you reach the end. The end is just however long you want it to be, and then go ahead and attach a bead to this end, that can go through the loop to make a bracelet. And that's it.